welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a new subscription box I've just got. So it is by Nourished Life. So it's meant to be all natural products. So I'm very excited for this one. This is my first box with them. So this is the July's box. It did arrive a little bit late just due to everything going on in the world. Things are taking longer to ship, so I did get an email letting me know that it was running behind a little bit. So that was really good for them to have their communication open. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what I got in this box. As per usual with the Bella boxes, when I do those I will add in clips if I do use the products prior to posting this video. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in and find out what I've got. Okay, so in the box it's just a recyclable plain brown box, which is good because then you're not wasting like real fancy packaging or anything like that. You get a little card and it lets you know what you get on the back and a little bit of like the retail price and about them a little bit. So you get 4 products in this one, so I'm super excited to have a play and see what I got. So the first product I got is an active infusion serum oil facial moisturizer. It's by Rosebrook. So it is 1 ml and the retail price for this is $113 for the full size. So it's a silky serum containing a potent mix of herbal extracts plus nut and seed oils to combat inflammation, dryness and the accelerated skin decline caused by aging. So the protective fatty acid profile created by the blend of enriching avocado, apricot, jojoba, evening primrose, almond, sea buckthorn and grapeseed oils promotes superior barrier function whilst calming, nourishing and moisturizing the skin, and it's suitable for all skin types. So that sounds really nice. So I'm excited to try this. Even though it is natural, I will still make sure I do spot tests prior to using any of these products just to make sure I don't have a reaction to anything, because as everyone knows that watches my channel, I have very sensitive skin. So the next product I got is a hand sanitizer, which comes in perfect. So this is Squeaky. It's 100% natural hand sanitizer that meets WHO guidelines and kills 99.99% of germs. So basically says rub a drop into hands until dry to remove germs naturally. So it comes in a package like this and you just, okay, so I just had to unlock the top and now I can squeeze a little bit. Oh, very runny, like hand sanitizer. Oh, it smells like hand sanitizer. Let's rub it in. Could have definitely used another pump or two. It doesn't really leave behind the alcohol smell. It smells quite nice actually. It smells like fresh. It's got rose hip oil and aloe vera. I think that's what I can smell, is a little bit of the aloe vera in it. So with this one, it retails for $10. So it's 100% natural. It's an award-winning hand sanitizer that meets WHO, CDC and EWG guidelines, kills 99.99% of germs and makes your skin feel amazing. So it was actually created by a mum and daughter duo that are passionate about protecting people from both germs and nasty chemicals while maintaining your soft skin. And I do have to say that my skin still feels really soft and smooth. A lot of the hand sanitizers leave them like dry, like you need to get hydration back into your hands because they go so dry. This one didn't. I did only use 1 pump. I didn't use multiple pumps. But it feels really nice and smooth still. Hasn't dried my hands out but still feels and smells clean. So I'm very excited about this one. Okay, so next thing is by Thick, and it is a lime and ginger body polish. So it comes in this bright green packaging. It is 110 grams, and actually it's really cute. It's got this little sticker sealing it up here, and the sticker actually says, "Hello, I am biodegradable sticker." I am a biodegradable sticker. So that's really cute, because if you're getting natural products, you sort of want the packaging to also be healthy for the environment. So that's a really cute addition. Let's open him up. So plastic free revolution. So it actually comes in a massive bar like this. So it's literally a bar of like soap in there. So it's lime and ginger. It's the ideal scrub for all skin types. The body scrub buffs away dead skin as it nourishes and invigorates tired skin. The active ingredients in this scrub include pumice, bamboo to scrub you clean, coconut oil and cacao butter to hydrate, and the scrub is naturally scented with lime and ginger oils, giving it a delicious, zesty, warming fragrance. So that sounds really nice and interesting. So I'm excited to play with this one. That sounds really nice. And that one retails for $20 as well. And the fourth and final product that I got in this month's box is by Antipodes, Connect with Nature, and it is Aura Manuka Honey Mask. So this one is 15 mils. The full size is retailed at $49, and it is a 75 ml packaging. So just looks like this. It sounds really nice. Comes in this little packaging here. See if we can smell it. Oh, comes flying out, so don't squeeze as hard as that. Oh, it smells really nice. Really nice. It smells like honey. Just gonna wipe off the excess there. So basically says, smooth thick layers of this creamy mask over your face and neck at sunset twice a week or as skin calls. Leave for 15 minutes and rinse with warm and pure water. Also ideal for attending to blemishes as they may arise. So basically says, cleanse deeply your skin and your spirit with this luscious face mask that leaves skin soothed and intensively hydrated. Manuka honey has potent antibacterial properties to cleanse and help clear blemishes. Bring peace and balance to your aura with divine fragrances of vanilla pod and mandarin, and suited to most skin types, especially blemish prone. So very excited to try that out as well. So I'm just trying this Antipodes Aura Manuka Honey Mask. Okay, so with this one, it just basically says to smooth a thick layer all over your face and neck. I'm just going to stick with it on my face, and I'll put a little bit on my neck before jumping in the shower. It smells really nice. It's nice and soft. Okay, so I've just used half the tube on my face now, so I'm gonna let that dry in, and I'm going to remove it in the shower. I'm doing a few different things in the shower for my skincare routine today, washing my hair as well, so I will check back with you guys in a little bit. So I've just gotten out of the shower. I did the Antipodes Aura Manuka Honey Mask. So this is what my face is looking like out of the shower. So I put it on, I waited 15 minutes, and then I jumped in the shower. I spent about 5 minutes doing some other stuff, and then I washed it all off my face. My face is feeling super smooth and nice. It smelled really nice as well, so I really liked it. Yeah, I don't have anything negative about it yet. My skin is looking really nice. So that is what I got in this month's Nourished Life box. So this is the July box, as I said. I do know the August box has already shipped, so I am just waiting on Australia Post now with this. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you're new, don't forget to change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!